Hi guys, Enrique here with another tutorial. Let's take a look at how to clear all of the system files and cache in Windows 11. The cache is a set of temporary files stored on the system by various apps and programs to perform tasks quicker. But cleaning all of the cache on your system, it will help you to clear some disk space, boost performance if you have low storage available, and to prevent some errors because of some cache files can be corrupted over time. Now, let's jump right into the tutorial. And for that you want to press Windows plus R to open the run command line, and you want to type in %temp %. Click on enter. This will open the file explorer right here, and all of these are temporary cache files. What you want to do is to select them, all of them, right click and then press on delete or in the trash can right here. If this asks you with this prompt, you want to click into do this for all files and click into continue. If there are some files in use, you only have to click into cancel and that's it. Now you can close the Explorer. A secondary thing to do is to right click into the start button, go into settings, and in the system tab you want to go where say storage. As you can see right here, I have 17 GB of temporary files, and here you're going to find a list of temporary files, and you want to select the ones that you want to delete. For example, I don't want to remove my downloads, I'm not going to select it. Delivery optimization, the recycle bin, thumbnails, temporary files, and everything else. You can see that with only that it's already 556 MB in my system. Click into remove files and click into continue. Close the settings menu, and now we're going to open the disk cleanup. Click into the search bar and type disk cleanup. Open the application right here, select the drive that you want to clean up. Mostly you want to do this with your main drive where you have your operating system installed. Click in OK. Here you are also going to find some files. Select all of them that you want to delete and click in OK. When the prompt comes up, you want to click into delete files and leave it work until it's done. Now you want to open the same app once more, but this time you want to go where it says clean up system files. Select once more your drive and click in OK. When this is done, it's going to show you probably more files. I have made recently this installation of Windows, so I don't have so much things right here. Now click in OK and into delete file. The last thing that we can clean up is the DNS cache. The DNS server stores domains names of websites that you have visited on the past to load them a little bit quicker on the next time that you go to visit it. But you can also clean this cache. For that, you want to go into the search bar and in here type cmd to open the command prompt. Once it's open, you want to type the next command, ipconfig flush DNS, and press enter. This will completely clean all the DNS cache. Now you can close the command prompt, and if you have activated location in Windows, you can also clear that as well. Go once more into the settings menu, go into the privacy and security tab, in here go to location, and here in the bottom when you see location history, you want to click into clear. Now let's clear the Microsoft Store cache. For that, type once more the Windows plus R key, and you want to type here wsreset.exe, and you want to click in OK or press enter. This is going to open a black window without text, and it's going to disappear in the moment that all the cache is clear. The last thing that you could do is, depending on your browser that you have, to clear your cache or history. That is pretty much it for this tutorial, how to clear all of the cache and temporary files in Windows 11. If you have found the video useful, don't forget to drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, on here I publish guides, tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye!